All right, hey, what's going on, guys? So what I have in for repair today is another PS5, and this one is no power. So the customer called and said his PS5 has stopped working. There was like a lightning storm yesterday, and he lost power, and so the console hasn't been working. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clean up some of this dust first. So. Okay, we've cleaned up some of the dust. Let's go ahead and let's give it a test and see if it powers on. Gotta give it a few seconds and then let's try. Nothing. So either we have a power supply issue here or we have something else going on with it. Let's go ahead and let's take it apart and let's see what we have to do.
Perfect.
Let's go ahead and let's test this one and see if this one is actually working. All right, so I think something else might be going on here because yeah, okay, all right, yeah, yep. So I made a mistake twice, okay? So let's just double check. Here we go. We have 12 volts on this one, so this one is good. This is the original one. I want to double check it before I go any further. Oh, so this one is for sure, the original one is for sure gone. This is another one that I took out of my pile. Just want to check it. So this one is good, so we're going to use this one instead. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to take this antenna off the original one.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that we've assembled the console again, let's put it through the full test and let's see what happens, because I think we should be good, but I just want to double check that we have a fully working console, we don't have any issues. So our power cable, and then we need our HDMI. HDMI. Let's go ahead and power it up. And regardless, we went from a console with no light to a console with light. It powers on, it has image. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.